Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you Amazon Prime Day was an amazing day. Big old box. So I'm a car guy. You didn't notice from all my other car videos. I know I don't post enough of those, but check it out. This big box, all for only a few things, which I'm going to show you. Close all of this, all this padding. So I know I'm sponsored by another company. I wish Chemical Guys would do a sponsorship, but couldn't pass it up. I actually have more on the way. They had like a really good deal on it on Amazon Prime. So you have these big 36 by 25 inch Mama Jamma really big towels. I got 2 of them. Make drying the car off way easier. So I basically use a leaf blower and then these, and then made from the same material. I just wanted it. I needed a new robe, and sure enough, they came through. I wish McGuire's would do this. I really wish they would, because I would gladly wear it, buy it, but they didn't. So thank you, Chemical Guys, for doing something really cool. So maybe I'll go put this on and wash my car in a little bit and take some photos. But thank you for watching, and please don't forget that like and subscribe. And check out what other videos YouTube recommends to you. And take care. Bye.